Hi, in this short video I will explain you how you can use this indicator and apply on the stock market. Now, first thing you need to do is you need to go to tradingview.com. Tradingview.com. You can open an account in tradingview.com if you do not have. Then go to the chart section. Once you have gone to the chart section, now you will see, just lift up the screen, you will see something here called as Pine Editor, right? Now on the right hand side there is an option called Open. Click on Open and you need to click New Blank Indicator. So once you open this new blank indicator, now make this blank. We will give you one small code in a notepad. You need to copy the entire code and paste it here in the Pine Editor. Once you have pasted it, click on Save and this save script will come. Click on Save and Add to Chart and bring it down. Now this particular chart or layout has been applied on the screen, and as you can see, this will be on a 3-minute time frame, and the candles which we are using is Heikin Ashi. Now this indicator works very well with Nifty, Bank Nifty and other stocks, but we prefer using it on Nifty and Bank Nifty futures. Now today is 23rd September. On 23rd September, you can see in Nifty, whenever there will be a buy signal, you will see a green arrow on a buy indicator. That means it is a buy call, right? Now when you get this signal to buy on a green candle, what you need to do is you need to buy on the next candle when it closes above this candle where the signal was generated. So the closing of this candle is here. That means we need to buy when this candle closes above the previous close of this candle. Now once you have bought this, you can see today all day, right from here it went up till here. Right now the markets have closed, it's 344. Now similarly, if we check for yesterday on 22nd, see a signal was generated here. So what we need to do, we need to sell it on the, we will short sell on the next candle when the next candle closes below the previous candle. So we have made a short, and what will be the stop loss? The stop loss will be, the high of this candle. Means in this candle we got this signal and the stop loss will be on the previous candle high. You can also put a buffer of few points and put a stop loss here. Now from here again it went back here, not an issue, and again here if you see, it gave us a buy signal, but we didn't buy because the next candle did not close over here. Similarly, same with here, Again on the third signal on 22nd September we got a sell call here, but none of the candles closed below this candle, below the closing of this candle in which we got the sell signal. Here it got closed, but we will not trade here. We will normally avoid any fresh trade after, let's say, 2 o'clock or 2:15. Only we can square up our existing position. So we will not trade, we will not take trades after 2 o'clock or 2:10, 2:15. Even if the losses are there, that is very small, just few points. So again, if you see, on 21st September we got a call here and it went up right till here, a matter of 50-100 points. Again, if we see on 20th, here we got a buy call and then a signal, a green call is generated on a green arrow. So what you can do is, when you buy on this candle and when it goes up here and you see again if it is coming down, you can modify your stop loss to your buying position. Similarly, see, sometimes you will get profit, sometimes you will also lose, but the profit is pretty big enough. On the second candle, see, a sell signal was generated. Now from here it went up right till here, almost 500 points in one day. 500 points. And again on the next day we got a buy signal here. It went a little bit up, but it got stuck. But on the second candle on 21st, just see where it went. That means when you lose few points, and when you win massive amount. So you need to, second thing is, you need to maintain a proper stop loss and you have to make big profits. The aim of this candle is to make big profits and exit on small losses. And similarly, one more thing you can do, let's say you have bought it here, it went up here, you can book small profits provided you have taken 2 lot, book a small profit here on 30-40 points, and once you have done that, the second lot you can make it to your this candle or your buying price. Or one more thing you can do, you can buy one lot and when you see that it is reversing back, you can exit your position here, and the second lot you can place the stop loss. When you are buying, the stop loss will be your previous candle low and few buffer points you can put, right? So even if you lose 30, 40, 20 points, 50 points, but when you win 100, 200, 300, 400 points. That is the beauty of this indicator. Now let me see on, this is Nifty, now I'll go to Bank Nifty. Same here on Bank Nifty, today on 3rd September, a buy call was generated here and it went up till here, almost 37,800, 150 points. Now today let's start from here. 23rd we got a buy signal 9:15 on this indicator. Now from here it shooted up here. So when we got a sell signal, we sold it. What is the time? 11:33. Again we got a sell signal, but what I recommend is, when you get a profit, a good profit on your first trade, you stop trading for the rest of the day. It is as advisable not to trade. Similarly, here when you're seeing you got a sell call, the closing was here, again it went up. How much loss? A matter of 20 points. If you again took a trade, then only. then again here if you have taken a buy position, again you have got 100 point. But it is advisable on the first trade you are making profit, don't trade again for that day, leave trading, close your desk. Here also on 22nd we bought at this candle at 11:48. We got a buy signal, but since we'll buy on the next candle, whichever candle which closes above this candle, that means here, but it went down here because our stop loss was on the previous candle, it executed, again it went up, and see where did it go, almost again 200-300 points, a profit of 200-300 points. Similarly, if you see here on 20th, there was a buy signal here, we bought it at this and we made a very small loss of 20 points, but when we sold here, again we got a sell signal on 11:51. We sold it somewhere here because the closing has to be below the closing price of the candle in which we got the we got the sell signal, and the stop loss will be somewhere here. So it came down here, it went up little bit there, and see what is the profit of almost 500 points profit. So whenever we lose small. When we win very big. The ratio is almost, I will say, 1:5, 1:7. So out of 10 trades, if I lose 6 and if I only win 4 trades, it is more than enough, right? So you can trade, and same goes for stocks also. The pattern would be same. So in case you have any issues, you can email me or send me a WhatsApp. If you have any doubt or you want to know anything, you can send me a WhatsApp. My email ID is mindviewlearning@gmail.com, and WhatsApp number 9330223225. Right? So in case you have any doubts regarding the software, or you want to purchase the software, you can ask me. Thank you.